The 2024 Winnipeg Street Census, or Point-in-Time Count Reports release, provides a look into the patterns of homelessness.
The street census we released this afternoon is not just data. It is a mirror of our community, reflecting thousands of people living without the security of a home.
More than 1,500 surveys were held across the city between November 6th and 12th, 2024, by volunteers, staff, and organizations that serve the unhoused. The point-in-time count in Winnipeg focused on the night of November 5th, 2024, and showed an estimated 2,469 people experiencing homelessness on that day.
Working together, we have collected the data to show the challenges that are faced when you do not have a place to call home in Winnipeg. And now it's up to the leaders to consider this report and find the commitment to take real action.
Based on the report, nearly 80% of Winnipeg's homeless population is Indigenous.
Our teachings remind us that we are all related. To honor that truth is to ensure that no one is left outside. Let us walk this path together, guided by respect, responsibility, compassion, until every relative in our city has a place to call home.
Almost 1 in 2 respondents were placed into the child welfare system as a child or teen. End Homelessness Winnipeg reached out to CFS for data to help with the PIT count, but they did not respond.
CFS, we asked for data, we did our best. We were not given, they did not provide us the data.
The data from the survey was combined with data from the number of people identified through the Homeless Individuals and Families Information System, hospital reports, responses from transitional housing programs, federal and provincial corrections, and child and family services.
With the release of this report, we have the choice whether we want to act and create positive change or to delay and to allow the challenges we're facing to deepen.
The street census aims to provide data updating the rates of homelessness and highlighting systemic inequality, provide recommendations to the city, and start a dialogue and change.
We said in 2 terms we were going to end chronic homelessness, and we were working collaboratively with all of these different organizations. So of course, the PIT count is a part of that, and the numbers that they've produced are in line with our numbers, and we're going to continue to work with them.
Presenter Ainsley Hines mentioned the data offered through the street census should be used as an insight into the rising rates of homelessness, rather than an exact number of people experiencing homelessness. A joint statement from 5 organizations that work daily with the homeless say they believe the actual number is closer to 4,000 people. They say government can no longer continue to ignore the systemic and policy failures that continue to fuel the combined epidemics of homelessness and toxic drug deaths. Julia Ross, APTN National News, Winnipeg.